Let's get you the latest on the Asia Cup controversy, and the saga continues. Now the BCCI is mulling action against Naqvi. They want him to be impeached. We are talking about the Pakistan minister as well as the Asian Cricket Council chief Mohsin Naqvi, who walked away with the trophy after India won the series. India refused to accept the trophy from Mohsin Naqvi's hands, and therefore he walked off with that trophy. Let's go across to Rika now for all the latest developments. Well, Rika will be joining us shortly, but Naqvi has handed over the Asia Cup to the UAE board. That is the latest that we can bring to you, and so the trophy has been handed over after Naqvi was seen in those visuals, remember, walking off with the trophy. Let's go across to Rika. Rika, bring us all the very latest.
Well, yes, Gargi, this is the breaking news at this hour that the trophy has been handed over to the UAE Cricket Board. It is to the Emirates Cricket Board, and it's with them in Dubai. Well, we hope that in some time the cup will either be shipped to India or an Indian official travel to UAE to pick up the trophy. But right now, the cup is no longer in Mr. Naqvi's possession. He's left for Lahore, and he has left the cup with the UAE Cricket Board. So it looks like that this crisis will come to an end soon, and India will get the Asia Cup. But what we also reported is that the Indian Cricket Board, BCCI, at least a section of BCCI, want Mr. Naqvi to be impeached as the chief of ACC because they feel that he violated several sections being the ACC chief. Firstly, he did not follow the ceremonial protocols. Then there was conflict of interest. They also feel that he has politicized cricket in doing what he's done over the last couple of weeks. So they feel that he's not fit to be in the chair of an ACC chief. This is one section of BCCI talking, Gargi, and we really have to wait and see if this is all of BCCI's demand and they put together a proposal to impeach him formally in the next ACC meet. Of course, the events that have happened over the last 3-4 days and during the Asia Cup will also be reported to ICC at the ICC meeting in November.
Right, so Rika, this is good news, and hopefully, as you said, this whole unsavory controversy will come to an end with this. Mohsin Naqvi has left the trophy in the UAE, and as you said, the BCCI will soon decide, who's going to go across and get it, whether they're going to, have some sort of maybe they'll even have a function to actually hand over the trophy to the team. God knows, it could be even the captain. But yes, a lot of developments today. Earlier, you were also, reporting on how the Asian Cricket Council expressed regret, not Naqvi himself, but the Asian Cricket Council had expressed regret over the entire issue. BCCI wants Naqvi to be impeached, and now the trophy has been left in the UAE, and Naqvi has returned to Pakistan. Take us through all these developments.
Well, I think it really came as a sequence. In the morning, we got to know, well, the Asia Cup, after the Asia Cup meeting, ACC met yesterday. That was the meeting when BCCI asked for the trophy from Mohsin Naqvi. There were two officials of BCCI at that ACC meeting, Mr. Rajiv Shukla and Ashish Shelar, both on the board of ACC. But at that point, Mr. Naqvi had asked India to have a trophy ceremony and have the captain come and receive the trophy. India refused, and he in fact had said in his private circles that Surya Kumar should be sent to take the cup from his office in UAE, which is the ACC office. But India has been clearly refusing to his demands of a trophy ceremony or anyone being sent to pick up the trophy from him. India didn't take all of this in right spirit. They said that all of what has gone on in last 1 week has been highly politicized. Mr. Naqvi has violated several protocols of being in the ICC chair. There's been conflict of interest, and he's been unfair. So later in the day, we got to know that a section of BCCI is also thinking of moving an impeachment motion against Mr. Naqvi. Though it's not all of BCCI that's talking about impeaching the Asian Cricket Council chief as of now. We'll really have to wait and see what happens later. But the good news for our viewers is that the cup is now with the Emirates Cricket Board, and we'll have to wait and see in how much time the cup comes to India, along with all the medals of the cricketers who have won the Asia Cup. Having said so, Gargi, I don't think there is any time for any medal ceremony or trophy ceremony, because most of the players who had appeared in Asia Cup, they are either going to be playing in the national team from tomorrow in the test match, or from the third in the India A team. Many of them are playing domestic cricket right now. So, they are in different parts of the country, and get the team together and have a ceremony is not practical at this moment. However, the cup will come to India, and that's heartening news, I guess.
All right, so it's coming home in a sense, isn't it, Rika? The cup is finally going to be back here in India. That is the big breaking news that Rika is bringing you, that the cup, the trophy currently is in the UAE, and Mohsin Naqvi has left it there. He has returned it. And hopefully, after all of this, Rika, we can put this whole incident behind it. It's called the gentleman's game. However, what we saw was something, we usually don't see during cricket tournaments.
It's never happened. I have reported on cricket for the last 2 decades, and I have never seen anything like this, Gargi, that a team wins a tournament and returns home without the cup because of, a political tension between two sides of the border. It has never happened in cricket. I don't think it has happened in any sport ever. All of this are pre-decided, and I think the blame solely lies on Asian Cricket Council, the officials of Asian Cricket Council, who should have handled this long before. Remember, there are some outlets that have been reported that Naqvi apologized. He never apologized, but some of the members of Asian Cricket Council expressed regret about how the incidents have played out. But these are the men who should have handled the matter before, because we and all the other outlets in India have been reporting since 15th of September that if India goes on to win the cup, they will not take it from Mohsin Naqvi. So it was an established fact. It wasn't that they didn't know. Why didn't they manage it well in advance is a question that they'll have to answer now.